Hi class, it's your virtual science helper, Mr. Frizzle, and today we're going to learn about the water cycle. So, what we got here, we've got some plastic wrap, I've got a jar, got a digital timer, and I've got a rubber band. I've also got on the side here some ice and some warm water. So, what we're actually going to do is we're going to make rain inside of our jar here. Super easy to do. Let me show you how to do it. So first things first, you're going to take some hot water or some warm water and you're going to pour it into your jar, nice and carefully. There we go. And then you're going to take your plastic wrap here and you're just going to place it on top. Let's get this out of the way. We're going to place this on top of our jar and then we're going to lock it in place here with our rubber band so that it doesn't move and that it stays nice and snug on top of our jar. Next, you're going to take 3, maybe 4 ice cubes and you're going to place them right on top of your jar here. How many of you can fit? Looks like I can fit maybe 2 ice cubes on here. Let's see, 2 ice cubes is enough. And now we're going to start our timer here and we're going to see how long does it take before we start to make it rain inside of our jar here. Let's start the timer and let's see how long it takes. You can already see some steam starting to form on top, but how long before it takes? Usually it takes about 5 to 6 minutes, guys. Let's see what happens. So, wow guys, it only actually took us only about 3 minutes before we actually started to see some rain. I'm gonna remove our ice cubes here, and if you can see, right here on top of our jar here, there's some water droplets starting to form on top of our jar here. You know why this happens? Well, the warm water itself, it's so warm that it starts to evaporate and it tries to escape the jar, but it's not able to because we've got this plastic wrap on top. So when that water comes up, it gets cooled by our ice cubes and then condenses and becomes water droplets. And that's essentially how the water cycle works, guys. The water rises like steam, and then it gets trapped in our atmosphere, falls into the clouds, and then once those clouds become too saturated with the rain, it starts to rain again. And that's how you make rain inside of a jar, guys. I'm your friendly science helper, Mr. Frizzle. Have a great day, guys. Bye.